I will start the next chapter, arithmetic progression. Okay. So now I'll show you some pictures. Okay. So what are you seeing?
Ma'am, flowers.
Sunflower, right? No, this is sunflower and this is succulent, ornamental plant. Have you seen this plant?
Actually, I haven't have seen that, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. See, if you observe the seeds carefully here, can you see the seeds arrangement?
Ma'am, the second chapter is polynomials, ma'am.
But arithmetic progression is the first chapter in another textbook, revised textbook. Which is
Okay.
the first lesson for you?
First lesson real numbers, second polynomials, ma'am.
Polynomials, then linear equations, right now. But in revised textbook, first chapter is arithmetic progression. It's okay, no problem. Okay, you will. It is easy chapter. You will understand.
Okay.
Okay, can you say, if you observe carefully, Panchami,
Hmm.
see observe the seeds here, arrangement of seeds. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also, and also petals, arrangement of petals in sunflower, or and arrangement of, see how the leaves are arranged here, right now, very nice. If you see the honeycomb, right? See the holes, what is the shape of the hole here in honeycomb?
Ma'am, hexagon.
Hexagon, very good. Okay, see all are hexagons on right now. So and also maize cob is see here also you can see the pattern right now. See in all these, what comes to your mind if you see all these things? What comes to your mind?
Ma'am, patterns.
Yes, patterns. See how nicely they are arranged. No, here seeds in maize cob and holes in the honeycomb and the petals and seeds of the sunflower and petals, right? So we can see the patterns here right now. So like that, arithmetic progression is also nothing but it is the pattern of numbers. Okay, see what is the sequence? For example, one second. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. See, it is called a sequence. What do you mean by sequence? A list of numbers having specific relation between the consecutive terms is generally called a sequence. See, these are the list of numbers having specific relation. What is the relation between each number here?
Ma'am, there is a difference of 2 in it.
Yes, difference is 2. And what is the relation? Okay, difference is 2. And also they are all, you can say even numbers or you can say multiples of 2, right now. So each number, the numbers having specific relation between them. That is, it is called a sequence. Okay. Next one. So what is arithmetic progression? So AP is nothing but arithmetic progression. It is a sequence of numbers or it is a list of numbers in which each term after the first it is obtained by adding a constant right now to the preceding term. For example, you said, right? For example, 4, 8, so on. Say it is a sequence, right? List of numbers, and the number each term is obtained by adding the fixed numbers to the preceding term. Here, first term is 4. What is the second term? 8. So we are adding 4 here, right now. So to obtain the next number, what are we doing? We are adding the constant number to the preceding number, right? So to get the next number, we are going to add 4, right, Panchami? So arithmetic progression is nothing but it is a sequence of numbers, the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So the common difference between the numbers is constant. What is the difference between the numbers? So 8 minus is 4, 12 minus is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4. Understood? So the constant is called D. It is called common difference. Are you understanding, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
Common difference, that is called D. Here D is called common difference.
A sequence of numbers having common difference is known as arithmetic.
Yes, common, it has fixed common difference right now. Common difference, that is called arithmetic progression. Okay, examples. See, they have given 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 is an arithmetic progression. See, what is the what is the rule behind this, Panchami?
Ma'am?
What is the rule behind this? Means is it a arithmetic progression?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how can you say it is for arithmetic progression?
Ma'am, because it has a constant difference too.
Difference, that is 2. Very good. Okay. So here, see, this is first term is called A, and next, see, D is nothing but common difference, right now. See, here we are added one more smiley here. So it becomes A plus D. So to this A plus D, right now we have 2 smileys. For that, we are going to add one more smiley. Okay, that means A plus D plus D. See, this is first term is A, it is called A1. It is A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D. It is what? See, for 2 smileys, right now, A plus D, we are going to add one more smiley. So it is A plus 2D. It is called A3. And fourth term is called A4. Okay. So A1, A2, A3, A4 are the terms of arithmetic progression. Okay. See how to write this. First term is A. There is no D term. Okay. That is only A. Okay. And second term A2 is equal to A plus D. And third term is A plus 2D. Right now. And fourth term is A plus 3D. Or you can say, see, first term is A. This is A plus D. Third term is A plus D. For that, you are going to add one more D. Next to A plus D plus D. For that, we are going to add one more D. So it is A plus 3D. Next one. So what is the general form of AP? Say a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. See, how can you write this? See, first term is called a, second term is called a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, third term is, sorry, fourth term is a plus 3d, so on. Okay, so a1 is equal to, so I will derive the formula, Panchami. A1 is equal to, that is only a, there is no d right now, only a, and a2 is equal to a plus d. So I will write it as a plus, in place of d, I will write 2 minus 1 into d, because 2 minus 1 is 1 only right now. So you will get 1d. For a3, I will write a plus, that is 2d. Correct? Huh? Next, a plus, how will you write 2, Panchami? Tell me, how will you write 2?
Ma'am, 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2, not 4. How can you write? It is 2 minus 1, right? No, 2 minus 1 is 1. Here you have to write 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. How will you write for a4? A plus. Tell me, Panchamina, how will you write this? A plus?
Minus 1.
4 minus 1. Okay. You unmute and speak, Panchami. Okay. See, if you see all this, so how can we write an? An is equal to, you will write a as it is plus. See, when it is 4, if you are finding fourth term, that is 4 minus 1. See, when it is 3, 3 minus 1. When it is 2, 2 minus 1. Right now? So, how can you write here for an? Panchami, a plus? See here, for A2, we have written 2 minus 1. For A3, 3 minus 1. For A4, 4 minus 1. So how can you write for AN? A plus? You are not getting, Panchami? You are not getting it?
No, ma'am.
See here, nothing. Here, this is second term, no? For second term, the number is 2 here. Just we are writing 2 minus 1. We are subtracting 1 in all the cases, right? Now, see, this 1 is constant. For 2, we have written 2 here. For 3, 3, 4, it is 4 only, right? No. So for 8,
minus 1.
yes, that is n minus 1. That's it. Okay. See here, 2 minus 1. For 3, we have written 3 minus 1. For 4, we have written 4 minus 1. Like that, for nth term, this is called nth term. So, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. See, this is the formula. Got it? So, what is a here? A is first term. First term with first term in the of the sequence or arithmetic progression, and D is called common difference, that is constant. What is the common difference? Okay, so common difference is nothing but the fixed number we are going to add, or we are going to add. Okay, the fixed number which is obtained by subtracting any term of AP from its previous term. See, this is the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. See here, they have given a list of numbers 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Which is the first term here, Panchami?
Ma'am, 3.
3 is first term. And what is the common difference here?
Ma'am, 4.
4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15 and 19. Okay, so the common difference is 4 and the first term is 3. To get the next, okay, can you tell me which is the next number here? Which is the next number after 19?
Ma'am, 23.
After that?
27, ma'am.
Yes, you got it right. Yes, see, for 3 we are added 4 to get 7 and 4 is added to get 11. Again 4 is added to 15 and 4 is added to 15 to get 19. Okay, so what is the formula? AN is equal to A plus, you know what is AN? AN is nothing but nth term. Nth term means it may be any number. 10th, if they ask 10th term is, that will be taken as AN. Okay, while doing the sums, you will understand that A plus N minus 1 into D. Try to get the 5th term. Okay, so by using the formula, I will write here. See, what is our formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. See, we are going to add 5th term right now. So in place of N, you will write 5, which is the 5th term. Okay. So we know, sorry, 5th term, already 5th term is given, no? Okay. So A is how much? 3 plus, what is N here?
Ma'am, 5.
N is 5, right now? 5 minus 1. What is the common difference here? It is given 4. So that is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. That is equal to 19. So 19 is the next number. You said the next number is 23, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 23. Huh? So what about next number? 27. Okay, this is 7th term. Okay, let us find 7th term. So A,
Formula we can find the terms.
yes, terms, we can find the terms. For example, A7 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula right now. So A7 is equal to, just substitute the values. What is A? It is 3. I will write 3 here. Write plus as it is. What is N? We are finding 7th term. So N is 7. That's it. N is 7. But what is A7? That is 7th term. Okay. 7th term you are going to find out. So D is 4 is equal to, write 3 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 4s are 24. That is equal to, yes, got it? 27. Yes. So this is how we find the terms in the AP. So like that, by using the formula, we will find. Okay. So first term is 2 here. So first term is 2. Find the difference in the next term. See how to find the difference. D is equal to, see it is fixed. It is common in all right now. So A2 minus A1, or you can do A3, take any 2 consecutive numbers. Okay. Or you can take A4 minus A3. Take consecutive numbers and subtract. Okay, so A2 minus A1 means 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. What is A3 minus A2? A3 is 10. Tell me, Panchami.
Ma'am, 10 minus 6.
Yes, 10 minus 6. And A4, fourth term is 14 minus 10, it is 4. Okay, since the differences are common, the given terms are in AP. Sum of n terms, a plus n minus 1 into, okay, that is for, that's it. It comes in third exercise, then I will teach you that. Okay. Now we'll go for the exercise. Did you understand till here, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Just you should know that if you know the formula, you can find anything. Okay. And I'll give one more example for this. For example, in auto, for the first 2 kilometer, the fare is fixed right now. How much it is?
Ma'am, 25.
Not 25, now it is 30, no, not 25, 30 rupees. Okay. So for the first 2 kilometer, it is 30 rupees. And for the next every kilometer, it will increase by 10 rupees. Right now. So for the first 2 kilometer, it is fixed 30 rupees. And for the next kilometer, for third kilometer, for 3 kilometer, it is 40. Next 4 kilometer, 40 plus 10, it is 50. Next to 50 plus 10, it is 60. So if you write the numbers here, say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so on. Right now. So what is the common difference between the numbers? It is same, that is 10. Right now. So we can say they are in arithmetic progression. First term is 30 here and the D is 10. Okay. And one more thing, how many numbers are here? Can you count the numbers here?
Ma'am, what?
Can you count the numbers here? How many numbers are there?
Ma'am, 4.
No, I have written so on.
Ma'am, infinite.
Yes, it is called infinite arithmetic progression. For example, if I write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so now we can say it is a finite arithmetic progression. Yes, first question. So first question is the taxi fare see the taxi. Do you have textbook, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
Please open the textbook. Taxi fare after each kilometer for the first kilometer it is 15 rupees. Then after every kilometer 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. Okay, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. Okay, so taxi fare is for the first kilometer, it is 15 rupees. And next, for every kilometer, it will increase by 8 rupees. Okay, it will increase by 8 rupees. Okay, so
It will be 23.
yes, for the next kilometer, 15 plus 8 plus 8, that is 23. Then for 3 kilometers,
Ma'am,
23 plus,
33.
very good, 31. Next for 4 kilometers, it is
39.
39. Okay. Shall I write the numbers here? First number is 15. Second number 23, 31, 39, so on. Are the numbers in arithmetic progression?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because it has common difference 8. Okay, so it forms an AP because every next term is 8 more than the preceding term. Just you had to say whether it is in arithmetic progression or not. Okay, so first question is yes. And in the second one, the amount of air present in the cylinder. So the amount of air in the cylinder. When vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. See, what is the question? There is a cylinder. Okay, it is filled with air. Okay, let us take it as volume V. Okay, so for every time they are removing 1/4 of the air. Okay, are you getting? So cylinder is filled with air. For every time they are removing 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Okay, so you have to write whether you will get the numbers now, they are in proportion or not. And I'll give another example. For example, you have you have 400 chocolates. Okay, you have 400 chocolates in a box. So you have to remove how many? 1/4 of it. So 1/4 of it means how many will you remove? You will calculate right now. 1/4 means how many chocolates you have to take out, Panchami? You have to take 100. You have to take out 100. So how will you find this? 1/4 of 400. So that is equal to 100. If you remove 100, right now, 400 minus 100. So how many will be remained in the box? 300. Right now. So this step I'm writing here. Okay. See, let V is equal to A. V is nothing but what? Volume of air in the cylinder. I'll write step by step, okay, along with the example so that you can understand easily. So volume of the air in the cylinder is taken as A. Okay, now, so what you are going to do? We have to remove 1/4 of 400. So I will write here. Next, 400 minus means what? V minus. What I'm writing here? 1/4 of 400. How will you write 1/4 of 400 here? Can you tell me, Panchami? I have written V here. Volume is V minus. How did we get 100 here? 1/4 of 400 is 100. Right now. So how will you write that here?
And V minus 1/4.
1/4 of what? V minus 1/4. See, observe carefully.
Come into V.
Yes, 1/4 of V. Right now, V minus, see, 400 minus. How did we get this 100? 1/4 of 4. We calculated 1/4 of 400. So we are removing 1/4 of V. So we will get, what is the answer here? 4 is LCM. Okay, so shall I write directly?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you write here in the numerator? There is 1 in denominator, so you have to multiply by 4, right? No, shall I write directly 4V?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, here already there is 4. No need to multiply anything. Just write V. So that is equal to 4V minus V is 3V by 4. Right now, what is this 3V by 4? See, 300. Right now, we got 300 here. So we got 3V by 4. That is what? A2. Okay. Now, how will you find out A3? What will you do here? We have 300 chocolates here. So then you have to remove 1/4 of 300. So first find 1/4 of 300. How much it is? 75. Right now, 75. So that is equal to, did you understand this step, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining is 300. Again, from 300, we are removing 1/4 of 300. Okay. So 1/4 of 300 is 75 chocolate. We are taking out 75 chocolate. So how will you write that? How will you write? 300 minus 75 is equal to. So 225 chocolates are remaining. So how will you write A3 now? So first what I have written? 300. So what will you write here? Remaining.
3V by
Very good. 3V by 4 minus, what will you write next? 1/4 of 300. Same thing what you have written, same thing you will write here. 1/4 of what?
ma'am into 3V minus by 4.
3V by 4. Very good. So that is equal to 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. So 16 is LCM. So we have 4 here. 4 to make it 16, you will multiply by 4, right? No? So 4 3s are 12. 12V plus 3V. That is equal to 15V by, sorry, it is minus, no? 12 minus 3 is 9. 9V by 16. That is what? A3. We got A1, A2, A3. Right? So I will write here. So if you want to find A4, you can find, no problem. I will write directly. So I will write 9V by 16 minus, you have to remove 1/4 of that, right? 9V by 16. That is equal to 9V by 16 minus 9V by 64. That is equal to 64 is LCM into 4, right? 36 minus 9, that is equal to 27 by 64V. This is 4 term. Once again, did you understand how to write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will write once again. First term is V. Second term is 3V by 4. And third term is 9V by 16. And fourth term is 27V by 64. Okay. So you have to check whether they are in, whether the differences are same or different. Okay. I will take A2 minus A1, 3V by 4 minus V. That is equal to, LCM is 4. So minus, we have 1 in denominator. So you have to multiply by 4. That is 4V. So 3V minus 4V is, Panchami answer. 3V minus 4V is
Ma'am, minus 1V
minus V by 4. So this is 1. Okay. So next I will take A3 minus A2. Let us do A3 minus, if we get same answer, we can say yes, they are in proportion. Okay, if the difference is not same, it is not in progression. A3 is 9V by 16 minus 3V by 4. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 6V.
16 is LCM, then?
Ma'am, 13.
9V minus?
Ma'am, 6V. 6V. Numerator.
It is not 6. You have 4 in denominator, no? How much will you write?
Ma'am, 3V.
We have 4 in denominator. LCM is 16. Yes, Panchami? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain how to write it. See, 9 by 16, no? I will teach you how to do the sum.
I
See,
didn't hear this question, ma'am.
okay, listen once again. I will teach you how. Okay, that's why I told you, no, if you are not understanding, you should ask me, okay? Because already you have learned, no, that's why, okay, I keep on going. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Here, we are subtracting the fractions, right? No, we have 16 and 4 are the denominators. Denominators are different. So, when the denominators are different, you have to take LCM. Okay, so what is LCM here? To to find this, no? LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So 2 and 8 both are divisible by 2, 2 1s, 2 4s. Here we are taking only prime numbers. Okay, 2 2s are 1. So multiply all this. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So I will write 16 here. So why we are taking LCM means you have to make the denominator same. You have to make them 16. In the first fraction, the denominator is already 16, right now. So just you multiply by 1. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. So already we have written 16 in denominator. 9 into 1 is 9. Right? And in second fraction, okay, tell me how much we have in, what is the denominator here?
Ma'am, we have to write 4V.
So we have 4 here right now. To make it 16, so unmute and speak. To make it 16, how much will you multiply?
Ma'am, 4 4s are 16.
Yes, 4 4s are 16. See what you are multiplying the denominator with the same number, you should multiply the numerator also. Okay, in the first fraction already there is 16. So I multiply by 1. And here we have 4. So to make it 16, you have to multiply by 4. So 4 4s are 16. So you should multiply the numerator also by 4. Okay, 9 into 1 is 9, minus as it is 3 into 4 is 12. Got it? So here you have to write 12. See, in first sum also, we have 3V by 4 minus V by 1. What is LCM here? 4 is LCM. Right now, already we have 4 here. just into 1. So that is 3v minus. In second fraction, we have 1 in denominator. To make it 4, you should multiply by 4. Both numerator and denominators are divisible by 4. Sorry, multiplied by 4. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So v into 4 is 4v I have written here. Okay. So this is, so 9 minus 12, that is minus 3v by 4. See, here we got the difference minus v by 4. Here we are getting minus 3v by 4. So the difference is not same. Right now it is not constant. So we can say they are not in arithmetic progression. And third sum. So there is a well. Okay. So there is a well. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging. So what are they saying? For the first meter. See, for the first meter. From here to here, it is first meter. Right now. So what is the cost? This is 150 rupees. Okay, Panchami. See, for the first meter, so the charge rupees 150, and it rises by 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay, for digging first meter, they will charge 150 rupees. For next consequent meters, they are charging, it is raised to 50 rupee. Okay, so it is plus 50, means it is 200, plus 50, it is 250, plus 50, that is 300. Did you understand the sum?
Yes, ma'am.
So for first 1 meter, it is 150. For next subsequent meter, it is increased by 50 rupees. Okay. So what is the first number here? 150. Second number is 200. Next third number is 250, 300, 350, so on. So first number is 150. D is equal to 50 here, right? So the difference between the common difference is same. So we can say it is forming an arithmetic progression. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about that cylinder volume air sum? Did you understand or not? Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood. First one is easy. This one is also easy. Yes. Now fourth one. Fourth sum. See, they have given principal here. Principal is equal to rupees 10,000. Okay. So deposited at compound interest. Compound interest. They have given interest of 8% per annum. Okay. Yes. So you have to find the amount here. So amount is equal to, do you know the formula of compound interest? Do you remember? It was not in 9th standard. It was in 8th standard, I think.
Yes, ma'am. I actually forgot.
Okay.
The simple interest, ma'am.
No problem. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. So what is A here? A is, what is A? Panchami. A is nothing but amount. It is amount. Okay. P is principal. What is principal? That you borrowed by the what?
Yes,
Borrow.
ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
The money borrowed from the bank, right? No, that is what
yes, ma'am.
principal. So A, yeah, what is amount? Amount is nothing but it is sum of principal and interest, right? No, so it is principal plus interest is nothing but amount. What is R? It is rate of interest. That is 8% is given. N is nothing but number of years, time. So they will give you time to return the amount, right? No, so that is number of years. So I have written the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. And I'll write for the first year. For first year, A is equal to P is 10,000. Just to substitute what is given. R is given, P is given. Just write in place. 8 by 100. So whole to the power of n, we are writing for calculating for first year. So n is equal to 1. If you want, you can simplify and write the answer. 10,000 into 1 plus, how can you write 8 by 100? Shall I write it as 0.08?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes, we can write. So I will write it as, so 1 plus 0.08 is 1.08. Okay, call this 1. Okay, for second year, so keep 10,000 principal and 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2. So in place of n, I am writing 2. That is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 is nothing but 0.08 whole to the power of 2. That is equal to 10,000 into 1.08 whole square. So this is 1, this is whole square. So like that, I will write the answer directly. For third year, it will be 10,000 1.08 whole cube. Right now? Is there any doubt in this, Panchami?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, no. So we have found out first 3 terms right now. So do you think the difference between the terms is constant or not?
Ma'am, it's constant.
It is constant. Okay, let us see. I will write here.
I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll find. If you're not sure, no, you should find it right now. So what is A2 here? 10,000 into 1.08 whole square minus 10,000 into 1.08. That is equal to, see what is common here? See 10,000 is common. Okay, take it outside. And 1.08 is also common. So 1.08. So what is remaining here? We have whole square, no? So we have one more 1.08 minus, nothing is remaining here, so it is 1. So 10,000 into, don't multiply, just keep as it is. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0.08. So this is first one. Now let us do A3 minus A2. 10,000 1.08 whole cube minus 10,000 1.08 whole square. So what is common here? 10,000 is common and 1.08 here we have 3, 2. You can 2 as common factor right now. So what is remaining here? 1.08 minus, nothing is remained here, so write 1. That is equal to 10 square into 0.08. Is it same or different?
Same.
Is it same? Just
Oh, no,
observe
no,
carefully.
no, no, sorry, I'm not.
They are different, right? Now 10,000 is same, right? 10,000 is same and the 0.08 is same, but here we have 1.08, but it is 1.08 whole square. So the common difference is not same. Okay. So you should not write without solving the problem. Now you understood, no? Huh? So solve the problem and then give conclusion. Okay. So therefore, clearly the terms of this series do not have common difference between them. So this is not an AP. That's it. Okay. You practice these sums also, Panchami.
Okay, ma'am.
This chapter is very easy. You have only three formula in this. Okay. No problem, no, if I do this lesson.
Ma'am, no problem.
No problem. So that, okay, if I complete here, you can understand easily in school, right? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we wind up the class?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.